Hello everyone, today we'll talk about very common question. What should I learn? MSA or the dialect? And if I want to learn the dialect, which one should I choose? That's what we'll talk about in this video. This is Hala, welcome to Speak Real Arabic. We call MSA in Arabic Fusha. We don't use Fusha in our daily life. We don't speak in Fusha. We use it just for news, for books, and some really limited series. So for me, I have writing skills and definitely I use MSA for that. It's a classic and more professional. As for dialects, we say lahja in Arabic. This is what we will really use in our daily life. So in our daily life, we only use dialects, also in series, and some other people use it for writing. And I know there are many dialects, Levantine, Gulf, Egyptian, and in Levantine there's Syrian, Lebanese, and all of that. What you really have to do is define your goal. Why you want to learn this dialect. And from my experience in teaching, students prefer to learn Levantine than the other dialects. In Syria, Lebanon, Palestine, Jordan, we have almost the same dialect, but there are differences regarding to culture. So if you're not planning to go to visit that place or to live there, just choose one of them. So to sum up, MSA for news, if you want to learn how to read, or if you're studying in Arabic. As for the dialect, this is what we really use in our daily life. So this was our video for today. I really hope you enjoy watching it. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you soon.